Welcome back, friends. Today I'm sharing with you a Walmart delivery grocery haul. And if you are new here, I'm Holly. I like to share grocery hauls, cooking videos, and I do occasionally share like a thrifting haul type video. So if you are interested in that type of content, I would love for you to subscribe and become a part of my YouTube family. And I would absolutely love to have you here. So today I'm going to go ahead and share with you everything that I got in this delivery haul. So I have some whole carrots, some fresh blueberries, love my blueberries, and my husband's been eating them as well. Some original, this is the Jimmy Dean Heat and Serve original sausage patties. These are great to have. You can put them in the freezer, take them out when you're ready to use them, for a quick breakfast. And all you have to do, you can put these in the microwave or you can put them in a pan, which is what I like to do. So I like to fry them up a little bit, and that's just convenience right there. Same thing with the Grand's Southern Style biscuits. Same thing, you can keep these in the freezer and take them out for however many you need. You don't waste a whole can if you don't need a whole can of them. So I love that. Some Jimmy Dean croissant, sausage, egg, and cheese sandwiches. Just something quick to take out of the freezer, heat up real quick when we need it. Some Bragg's apple cider vinegar. I did pick up 3 cans of the cut green beans, Del Monte. Always my 7-Up Zero Sugar. 7-Up, love those. Always get those on, keep those on hand. I did pick up some more Community Breakfast Blend. I was getting low on that. Some Velveeta shells and cheese. My grandsons are going to be here this weekend, so have that for a side dish. Also the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. My oldest grandson loves those, so I just have 3 of those to keep on hand, and I know he'll have those one day. So we're gonna have tacos one day, so I did get a pack of just the taco shells, because sometimes I feel like when I get the meals, the kits, sometimes they're crushed. I don't know, so I like to have a pack on hand just in case they are. So I have 3 packs of the Crunchy Tacos dinner kits to have on hand as well. And my grandsons eat the soft taco one, so got that one. Stovetop chicken. I have not had that stuffing in forever, but I don't know, I had a craving for it and went ahead and picked up 2 boxes of those. Some Premier Protein. Like I said, I put those in my coffee, as a creamer, and a little bit of coffee creamer as well. So I like to get some protein that way. Some Fritos scoops, the party size. Whole grain Sun Chips, the garden salsa, which is really good. I needed some more paper products, so I got some Bounty paper towels, the Selecta size, Bounty napkins, some TP. My husband needed some Edge, some shaving cream. This is what they substituted. This is the brand he gets, but I usually get the 2-pack, and they didn't have the 2-pack, so they gave it to me individually, which is fine. Some cooktop cleaner, needed that, I was out. Mocha coffee, I love this one as well to have sometimes, and they don't always have this one, so I was happy to see it in stock this time. Some Chips Ahoy Reese's cookies, since my daughter and her family is going to be over this weekend. I want to have something for them to snack on. Some krill oil from my husband and myself. We were low on that. Some sugar cones, because I have some ice cream in the freezer. And the last time my grandson was here, we gave it to him in a bowl, and he thought it was going to be in a cone, so I decided to go ahead and get the cones this time so he can have that. Some Immune Plus, and this is good. I always have that on hand, so I only had about 4 left of those. Same with the Ollie's Beauty. This is great for your hair, skin, and nails, and it's got biotin, keratin, vitamin C, and E. So I was low on that. Same with the Daily Energy, vitamin B12, and CoQ10 and goji berry. So got those to restock my supply. And honey wheat, Nature's Own. This is I'm not on keto, but I like this particular bread, and my husband likes this one. My husband wanted to start eating some more salmon again, so I picked up the pink salmon. It's the Wild Card. It's caught. It's the Great Value brand. So pick that up, and you get a decent amount in here, so when he wants it, I can, just make something real quick with it for him. Coffee Mate, like I said, I like my mocha as well, so this goes great with, this coffee. Country Crock Original, and I was on my last bit this morning, so absolutely needed that. Sour cream, some medium cheddar cheese for tacos and other meals. So I have 2 of these in one 8-ounce. It says each of these are 1 pound. This is an 8-ounce one. This is the ground beef sirloin. So this is about 2.25 pounds. This is the 1 pound pack. 1 for tacos, 1 to keep in the freezer for another meal. And Healthy Choice Cafe Steamers. My husband started taking these back to work as well. He used to take these all the time, and we kind of got away from it. Now he's starting to take them again. So we have the chicken lo mein, the Southwest style chicken burrito bowl, and these all have good protein. Both of these have 20 grams, and then this one has 14 grams. It's the beef teriyaki, and that one has 16 grams, and it's just the beef and broccoli. So just something quick he can heat up at work, because he doesn't have a long lunch hour, but it's just something quick. And I'm not sure if I mentioned, but I have the taco seasoning, the cowboy butter I was really low on. I think I mentioned the hash browns, I'm not sure, but if I didn't, that's what I have there. And that's going to do it for this Walmart grocery haul. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in seeing more like it, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell, and that will notify you when I post new videos. There's also a hype button that helps YouTubers. So when you hit that hype button, it just helps our channels. So if you can do that, I'd appreciate it. But I hope everyone has a very blessed day and a great weekend. God bless y'all.